Hello everyone, welcome to Quality with Mubari. This is Mubari here speaking, and today we're gonna cover the topics that are included in this course. This course is for total beginners, so it's totally fine if you don't have any previous experience with Excel, since we're gonna cover pretty much everything, right? So we're gonna go through the basics. We're gonna start with the overview, the layout. We're gonna explain the ribbons, what each ribbon includes, and the most frequent ribbons that we're gonna use. And then after that we're gonna learn how to navigate through the worksheets. We're gonna navigate through the cells, how you can work your way through the data, and then we're gonna move on to how you can format your data and start doing some basic filtering with your data. We're gonna create tables, we're gonna create some conditional formatting, and then we're gonna sort and filter our data. We're gonna use some formulas here to make our data look better, or easy to understand. And then after that we're gonna learn some tricks to split data. So let's say you have a cell that has the employee name and the employee number in the same cell. You're gonna learn how to split that, and then we're gonna learn some also tips and tricks on how you can do some data validation, so that you can limit the options in case you're going to share the worksheet with other employees, so that you can instead of each and every one putting in their own data, we're gonna do some data validation so that we have certain set of values in our worksheet. And then we're gonna go through some formulas. We're gonna learn how to do some arithmetic operators, and then we're gonna use some formulas to add numbers. We have lots of ways to add numbers. And then we're gonna cover the average, how you can calculate the average of a data set. And then we're gonna go through the count, how you can count data, whether it's a blank cell, whether the cell contains number, whether you want to count specific cells, and the number for those cells. So we're gonna go through some formulas such as the minimum, the maximum, and if statements. In case something happens, or in case the numbers are within a specific values, you return a specific value. So it's pretty fun. And then we got the VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP. We're gonna cover that as well. And then we're gonna go through pivot tables, how you can create pivot tables, how you can work your way to display the actual results, and make a table out of data that you put in the pivot table and display it just like you want. So the overall course here is for basic users, for people that never used Excel. We're gonna go through that, and by the end of the course you should have established a solid ground on how you can work your way through data and how you can get results by simply learning those basics. So let's get started.